Hey everybody, today we're going to review a review. This is video number 5, I think, for the D3 or DNA 31-day clock. Very quiet. And it's of the carvings. Let's hear it chime. Should strike 8.
Trying to do a video reading.
You don't have to be quiet. I'm here. I've done this before. I didn't say be that loud. You probably can't see back there, can you? There. Here's the back. Strike that. And there you go. Interesting 31-day movement. It says there, if you can't read, which this flashlight is bright, J-E-I-L, made in Korea, no jewel. Oh no.
No. Okay, so what is 50? That's a lot of change. 50 plus 50. Not change. $65. Dollars.
As if you can hear it, this is very quiet.
50 plus 15.
It used to be kind of loud, but I guess it just began to quiet down over the years.
More than $65 because it's cost about $70 to $90. I'm like,
Well, that's what you would have when you loved you. If you come to the house and Papa has a chore for you to do, I'm not going to give you money, but you can
There's a hall.
earn money. You have to do a chore.
There's a hall.
Here's what it sounds like.
Huh? There's a hall. What does it say? It's a one. No,
But
look.
there you go. A beautiful looking mantle clock. That is worth keeping. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick video for this little mantle clock. You wind here, and I'll see y'all next time in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.
I thought it's, no, there's a
Made in
hall.
Korea.